Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a new poem, Unit 7. On my blackboard I can draw. Now, the name of this poem is what? Here you can see it is a picture of a blackboard. Here the child is drawing something. Can you tell me what the child is drawing? Yes, the child is drawing a picture of a house. He is imagining it. In this poem, it tells about the thinking and imagination of a child. The child decides to draw a little house on the blackboard. He tells us in the poem what he wants to draw around his house. He also tells us how many things are there in his house. यहाँ पे जो एक छोटा सा बच्चा है उसकी ख्वाहिश है कि वो ब्लैक बोर्ड पे कुछ ड्रॉ करे. तो ब्लैक बोर्ड पे वो क्या ड्रॉ करता है? एक छोटा सा घर, a little house. और आफ्टर ड्रॉइंग दैट हाउस उसने घर तो ड्रॉ कर दिया. In the house, what things are needed? What is the house made up of? वो सब इमेजिन करके उसने हाउस ड्रॉ किया है. We will read the poem. You all also will read with me. Okay, children? Shall we start? Yes. Unit 7. On my blackboard I can draw. On my blackboard I can draw one little house with one green door. Here the child is drawing a house plus he is drawing the door also, and the color of the door is describing as green. When you draw a house has a door. So the door color of the child is which color? Green color. Two brown gates that open wide. See, here you can see, here it is two brown gates which can open wide. Here you have seen the child has drawn a door that is also green color, right? He has drawn a door and two gates are there that open wide. The three red steps that lead inside. How many steps he has drawn? 3. Over here see, 3 red color steps he has drawn which moves inside the house. 4 little chimneys painted white. Next what he has drawn? He has drawn 4 chimneys. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is the color of the chimney? It is white. What is the color? It is white. 5 little windows shining bright. And now how many windows are there? 5. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many windows are there? 5 little windows shining bright. Here only we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th one is over here. So shining bright. 6 yellow marigold straight and tall. Yes. Now if such a nice house is drawn, so there should be little bit garden and flowers also. So what the child has drawn? 6 little yellow flowers. It is marigold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has drawn 6 yellow marigold straight and tall. Growing up against the wall, you can see near the wall he has planted yellow marigold 6. They are straight and tall and they are growing up against the wall. So this is the imagination of a small little boy about his house when he is drawing on the blackboard. ये जो छोटा सा जो बच्चा है यहाँ पे, वो उसने हाउस इमेजिन करके उसने ड्रॉ किया है ब्लैक बोर्ड पे, और उसने सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें भी ध्यान में रखी है. जिस तरह से उसने ग्रीन कलर का डोर उसने रखा, कलर ऑल्सो ही मेड ग्रीन कलर. फिर गेट, he made a gate of brown color, 2 gates. Then he made the steps to enter in the house, red color. Chimneys also he made that white in color. Then windows, which are very important in a house, so 5 little windows that were shining bright. And then marigold flowers that are straight and tall. So once again we'll read the poem, children. On my blackboard I can draw one little house with one green door, 2 brown gates that open wide, 3 red steps that lead inside, 4 little chimneys painted white, 5 little windows shining bright, 6 yellow marigold straight and tall growing up against the wall. So this is the imagination of a boy of a house. But the same thing you can also draw a house. You can also imagine what type of a house you want, how your house should be. You imagine it and you start drawing it. Okay, now we will read new words. Gates, Gates, gates. WIDE, wide. LED, lid. CHIMNEY, chimney. MARIGOLDS, marigolds. STRAIGHT, straight. Now over here we read the first word, gates. Gates means what? See over here, it is a gate. If it is a bungalow type or cottage type, we have gate, right? We enter in the gate and then the house starts, so it is gate. Then the next is wide, WIDE, wide. Wide means what? Big passage. Here 2 brown gates that open wide. Over here it is said open wide, means broadly it is open wide, the gate. Then lid, LED, lid, a metal thing. The steps are made of stones. Lid. Chimney, a chimney means what? Something if you cook us to remove the smoke of the house when it has been cooked, to pass on the smoke. Chimney, that is above the roof of the house. Marigold, it is a yellow color flower. Straight, straight means straight, it is says over straight and tall. You can see here in the flower how they are straight standing position. So children, you can also imagine yourself what you want to draw. Here the child has imagined to draw a house, but you can imagine yourself what you want to draw. It is not necessarily a house only. You can imagine a beautiful garden, a beautiful bird, or a painting of a nice or favorite thing. So here the child is imagining about his house. So he has drawn such a beautiful house. You can imagine by yourself what you want to draw. So I hope you have understood this poem. On my blackboard I can draw. This is the child's imagination. You can imagine by yourself what you want to draw. So complete this poem in your notebook. Write it with good handwriting. Thank you.